Good day and welcome to Tech Initiate YouTube channel. We are delighted to help you solve your everyday tech problems. Today we want to talk about what to do when you have a keyboard repeating letters challenge. But first, what are the actual possible causes of repeating letters? It could be caused by loose or bad connection, spilled liquid or food, sticking keys, software bugs, or glitch. How do we solve this problem? We can update the keyboard driver, change the internal keyboard, use an external keyboard. Now if we update the keyboard driver and the problem still continues, then we have to change the internal keyboard with the help of a technician, or use an external keyboard if we don't have the time or resources. If the repeating keys does not stop with the external keyboard, it means we have to disable the internal keyboard. How do we disable the internal keyboard? First, we need to press the start button with our mouse and type RUN on the search bar and press enter. After that, we should type gpedit.mxc on the search box. When we press enter, a window comes up called the Group Local Policy Editor. You will see the computer configurations and user configuration files, but our focus is the computer configuration file, so click on it, and in there are 3 files. Click on the administrative template and you will observe other files, but the system file is our focus, so click on it. Then you do see other files, but our focus is the device installation files. Click on it and you will see the device installation restriction files, which is our focus. Finally, click on the prevent installation of device not described by other policy setting files. Click on enable button, click apply and OK and close the window. Now click on the start button and type device manager on the search bar. Open the device manager. Scroll to the keyboard driver. Observe it. Now plug your external keyboard. Observe the driver of your external and internal keyboard. Uninstall the driver for your internal keyboard and restart your system again. Your internal keyboard has been disabled and the repeating keys have stopped. You can now enjoy your keyboard with peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to be notified when we upload a new video. Goodbye.